Hello and welcome back to the session German for Beginners. Today we are in chapter 2. So we'll quickly learn the number system in German. So we will check the corresponding word of English and how we are pronouncing in German and what are the rules for framing a number. So let's start. So first of all, we learn the numbers from 0 to 19. So 0 to 19 following a certain rule, and then we'll learn from 20 to 99 that will follow certain rule, and then 100 to 999 and finally till 1000. So let's first concentrate on 0 to 19. So 0 in English, German null. 1 eins, 2 zwei, 3 drei, 4 vier, 5 fünf, 6 sechs, 7 sieben, 8 acht, 9 neun, 10 10, 11, sorry, it's not phone, it should be elf, 11 elf, 11 elf, 12 12, 13 dreizehn, 14 vierzehn, 15 fünfzehn, 16 sechzehn, 17 siebzehn, 18 achtzehn, 19 neunzehn. So if you look at the pattern, so you'll find that 11 and 12 is very different towards 11 and 12, but from 13 to 19 it is following a certain pattern. What is that pattern? So if you look here, 13, so there are two digits, 1 and 3. So as per the rules, when you are converting into German, so these 3 comes first and then is the 10th place. So 3 is dry, so 3 plus 10 is 13. So 3 is dry plus 10 is zen, so it forms 13. Then come to 14, so once again it is 4 plus 10, so fear zen. So in this same way, these remaining numbers 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, it's formed. We are moving to the next slides. So here if we look here, so it is following a certain rule. So 20 is called zwanzig. So zwan is coming from zwei, which is 20. Similarly, 30 is dreizig, coming from drei, which is 3. 14 vierzig, 15 fünfzig, 16 sechzig, 70 siebzig, 80 achtzig, 90 neunzig, and 100, it's simply called 100 or 100. So if you look here, so you will find that drei, vier, fünf, acht, neun. So for this is simply the number and zig or sig. So exception here is 30, it is dreizig, that is this sharp S. But in rest of the case it is this C. And 60 and 70, so 6 is 6 and 7 is 7. So instead of sechzig, it is sechzig, and 70 is siebzig. So going to the next slides. So rules for number framing. So if you see that 21, how can I frame 21? So to do that, we have to think like 20, how it is framing, 1 plus 20. So 1 is ein, then we have to add und and 20, that is 20. Similarly 32, 2 is 2, so 2 comes last, connecting is und and 30, 30. So in the same way, we frame 43, we frame 54, that is 3 und 40, 4 und 50. And continuing the same rule, 65 is 5.60, 76 is 6 und 70, 87 7 und 80, 98 8 und 90. So in this way we can frame any number. So if we notice, so this general rule, so the general rule is 65, so 5.60. So the last digit comes first, which is 5. So 5 is point. Then we have to add und, and finally the 5 plus 60. So 60. So this way we can easily frame any number. So all we need to know the basic number and the numbers in the 10th place. So now numbers from 100 onwards till 999. So 100 is simply called 100 or 100. Similarly 200, it's 200. And in a similar manner we can frame 300 is 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 800, 900, 900. Rule is the number and 100. So numbers from 100 onwards till 999, how we can frame? So if we notice here 108, so it is 108, 111, 111, 148. So 100, so 100, then 48. So the rule is 100 plus the number. So if we notice here 108, so 100 comes first, then the number, which is this 148. So number is first is 100, which is 100, and then 48. So 48, as we have learned in earlier slides, it should be 48. So it comes first, then 40. Numbers from 1000 onwards, so we call it 1000, 1000, 2000, and in a similar manner frame 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. So that means 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. So rule is the number, then 1000. So numbers from 1000 onwards. So 10,000 is 10,000. Then 100,000 is 100,000. 1 million is 1 million. And how we can frame this? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1000, 200, 4 und 3. Rising. So with that we end here. Thank you, and we will continue to learn. So hope with this we are able to understand the number system and we can frame our own numbers. Thank you.